this right here is a $10 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, okay, and you can also withdraw from it. So in this video I'll be showing you how to claim a $10 no deposit bonus. So all you just need to do is to register, verify your documents, and claim the bonus. Okay, I've been able to claim mine, as you can see it. So once you meet their terms and conditions and you verify, you will be able to withdraw from it. So I want you all to head on to go and claim it. So let's get into the video as I show you all the steps. Yes, so if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Okay, so let's go.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this: claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see it, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yes, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we're going to click on create your account. Okay, so we're going to be inputting our details, our first name, last name, and the rest. So let's do that right now. Okay, so we're done inputting our information, so we're just going to click on continue. It's loading. Okay, so a pin has been sent to my email and phone number, so I'm just going to be inputting the pin right here. So let's check my email. Okay, this is it right here. So I'm just going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this interface where we are to verify our phone number and also verify our profile, as you can see it right here. So we're going to do that, but before we do that, we're going to click on this. I am 18 years. Then I'll click on continue. Okay, so we're going to be uploading our documents right here, so let's do that. Okay, so I also want to verify my phone number. A code has been sent to my WhatsApp already, so as you can see it's up there. So I'm just going to be inputting the code right here. Okay, so after doing that, then I'll click on continue. So as you can see, the phone has been verified. So my phone number has been verified right now, and my personal document is still pending. As you can see, it's pending approval. Okay, so my profile has been verified. As you can see it right here, your profile is verified. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is to open a live account. So we're going to click on this menu button right here. Okay, so we're going to go to accounts, then we'll click on open live account. Okay, so we're going to be selecting the MetaTrader 5 free $10 no deposit bonus. Don't select the $30 or the other one because it requires deposits. Yes, so we're going to be selecting this, the $10. Okay, so you can see the leverage and you can see the currency. Okay, and you can see the terms and conditions, some information about it, the account. This is it right here. Okay, so we're just going to click on continue. Okay, yes, so my account has been successfully created. So I'm going to go to my Gmail to get my login details, or I can also get the login details from here. It's just that I can't show it, but I can also get the login details from here. Okay, so we're going to log into MT5 right now, so let's do that. Okay, so we are right here. So I'm going to be imputing the name of the broker, which is Saracen. Yes, see it here, Saracen Markets Limited. So I'll just click on it. Then I'm going to be imputing my login ID and my password. So after doing that, I'll just click on login. So I'm just going to click on login. So let's do that. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten the $10 no deposit bonus. As you can see it right here, I've gotten the $10 no deposit bonus. Okay, and I can trade with it and also withdraw from it. Okay, so regarding the terms and conditions, we have them right here, as you can see it. Okay, so the account will be valid for a period of 90 days from the date the credit was granted, and for you to be able to withdraw, profits are equal to or higher than $20, and you have to trade at least 5 standard lots. Okay, and only $20 can be withdrawn, as you can see it right here. So if the account is inactive for 30 days or more during the 90 days validity period, the $10 credit will be cancelled. Yes, so if the account is stopped out, the $10 credit will be settled. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions that we all need to know. So you can go through it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.